What's going on, guys? So I got home today and waiting for me was a package from New Balance Canada. So obviously you can tell this is something a little bit different. It's gonna be something pretty special considering that today, September 5th, is New Balance Gray Day. So you can see this looks like a giant paint bucket or something like that. And then it says here, gray runs in the family with New Balance's logo. So I already took a peek inside, but let me put this down. And long story short, so not only was this t-shirt that I'm wearing inside that bucket, but there was not one, but two pairs of shoes. So I do want to review both of these pairs separately, but long story short, New Balance Canada sent me these 997s and then also these 997 Sports. So for this part 1 video, I'm going to be reviewing the New Balance 997 Sport in the Gray Day colorway. So these dropped in limited numbers today, September 5th, for a retail price of $180 US. The official style code of this shoe is M997SGR, and the colorway of this shoe is, you guessed it, gray. So I do want to point out first off that this pair is made in USA, and having these in hand, I gotta tell you guys the quality on this pair is really nice. Taking a deep dive into the shoe, so starting off with the toe box, so the middle of the toe box, this is covered in this gray colored mesh. Surrounding the outer edges of the toe box, here we have this gray colored suede. And then as we move down towards the middle of the shoe, so first off we have this pebbled gray leather, followed by more gray suede. Stitched on the mid panel of both the lateral side and the medial side, we have your signature New Balance end logo, which is done in 3M and backed with white leather. Next to this we have this hit of gray plastic which adds some rigidity to the shoe. And then as we move towards the back end of the shoe, so the top layer, this is that gray pebbled leather once again. Underneath this we have this strip of 3M. And then beneath this, we have this gray suede wrapping around the back. We also have the New Balance word mark embroidered in white as well. In terms of laces, so these come with your standard white colored flat lace. And then beneath this, we have this gray pebbled leather tongue with the New Balance Made in USA branding embroidered in white. So the inner liner of these 997 Sports is lined in this very soft white leather. And then pulling out the insole, these come with a gray colored insole with New Balance classic branding on the heel in black. So the upper of these New Balance 997 Sports sits atop this retooled white colored midsole that features end cap reveal technology. So according to New Balance, end cap technology is a setup where there's a firmer polyurethane ring or carrier, and then found in the middle we have a softer EVA foam core. So this gives you that good balance between having support on the exterior side and having more of a plush feel in the middle. In addition to this, as visible on the back heel, we also have this absorb insert, which is basically a combination of foam and rubber, which helps with impact protection and additional cushioning. As I turn these guys over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole. So this is done in a combination of black and gray colored rubber, along with these white portions, which is basically just exposed foam. In the middle, we also have this motion control device, which I'm not 100% sure what this is. My guess is that it adds torsional support, but if you guys know something that I don't, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, and I'm usually a size 10 across the board for New Balance. For these guys, New Balance Canada sent me these in a size 10, and they fit me very well. So overall, I'd recommend sticking true to size, or if you typically wear a different size for New Balances, just stick with that normal size. From a comfort standpoint, so the New Balance 997 Sport is actually a pretty comfortable shoe. With the combination of the soft foam, the end cap reveal technology, and the absorb insert, I feel like the Sport model is much more comfortable than the regular 997, and it's definitely a shoe that I can wear for a long period of time without feeling any discomfort or fatigue. Last but not least, from a quality standpoint, so as I mentioned from the start, I was super happy with the construction and the materials on this shoe. The suede felt very nice. I had no visible glue stains or any significant loose stitching or anything like that. So overall, just a very solidly made shoe. So with all that being said, now let me lace up these 997 Sports and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. think of New Balance, the first color you probably think of is gray. So this whole Gray Day campaign that they've been doing is pure genius. With that said, the release of both this one and the regular 997s that you guys saw in the beginning, both of these pairs fit flawlessly with New Balance's aesthetic. And while some people may say that this pair looks boring, I, on the other hand, am older than I probably look, and there's nothing wrong these days with rocking a gray shoe and keeping it low key. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of the New Balance 997 Sport in this Gray Day colorway. Are you guys feeling this look of this shoe, or is this not really for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before I end this video, just want to give one final thank you over to New Balance Canada for sending me over both these pairs. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my part 2 New Balance Gray Day pickup video.